Screen communication lets you simultaneously clear orders on multiple KDS screens or forward orders from one screen to another. To get started, let's go into Settings and tap Screen Communication, and then toggle Screen Communication on. Make sure you have a second tablet on your network with the Fresh KDS app open on it as well. Then press Scan at the top right if it doesn't automatically begin scanning. You'll see any tablet running Fresh KDS on your network appear here. Tap the screen that you wish to configure, and from here you can choose your screen communication mode. Multi-clear will allow you to clear an order on your current screen and have it clear the same order on the connected screen. It will also reflect any items or modifiers that you cross out on your screen. When you recall an order using multi-clear, you will also have the option to recall this order on your connected screen. Keep in mind that screen communication is a one-way connection, so if you would like the second screen to also be able to clear orders on this screen, you'll need to do the same steps to enable screen communication on your second screen. The other communication method is Send to Next Screen, which will send any order cleared from this screen to the connected screen. Once we've selected our desired option, you can tap back to verify that your screens are connected under the My Communications section. Once you've verified that, you're ready to begin using the screen communication feature.